done. Maddie, just be careful. Ellie, get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. You'll blow away. Right there. Oh my God! Jay!
Phil, shut up.
Oh, man. Okay. I got it, Mom. Okay. Oh, it was a tornado.
Call your brother.
Why?
I think it's over with, though. Look at that, man. It shot through. Look what it did. Look at the trees. Here.
Did it take any of those new
Oh, it hit that guy.
Oh, thank God he's okay.
Look how many.
All these trees got it too.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, there's a school bus. I'm gonna throw up.
Seek shelter.
While we
Should they
stand
come
out
inside
here
for now?
on the second story.
No, we need to go inside it.
No.
It says we're fine.
We'll be all right.
Hey, would that mean where it would come down or no?
It's hard to say.
I need to be a storm chaser. Good thing, buddy.
I'm sending dog.
Look!
That's it. That's a tornado.
Oh my God!
What else? Yeah, I see it. Oh my God, here. Let me see it.
Tornado right here.